Hello guys, good to have you back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset the tire pressure of a Volkswagen T Roc. It's a 2018 model. As you can see, the indicator, this indicator over here, it says that one of the tires has too less air, and we had to change the tires and to pump it up to the desired value. And now we have to reset that to get rid of that sign. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel. It's Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us more support by liking our videos. Any comments, any questions are welcome. Use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, as I mentioned before, it's a T Roc 2018 model. We're going to use this area. Okay, as you can see, we have different touch buttons over here. We're gonna go to car, and you can get through the menu over here and then find tire pressure loss indicator. Set this one, press confirm, and as you can see, the indicator is gone. Yeah, you have to do this after checking all the pressure of all the 4 tires. And once you set the desired value on the pressure, you can reset it by this menu over here. Thanks for watching. That was it for today. Hope to see you soon with another video on another day. Stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye.